Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Motorola Edge 30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. As we all know, unfortunately the Fortnite is not present at the Play Store by default, so in order for you to get it and, well, effectively play it, you gotta just open any search engine that you'd like. In my case I'll go with Google. At the search bar of it, just type in Fortnite Apk, just like so. At the search results, you gotta look for the official Epic Games website, go for it. At this very web page, you just want to click on this black Get It on the Epic Games button, download the file, just press OK. Now let's go ahead and open it, but in prior of actually installing the Epic Games launcher, it is required for us to allow the Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. So just tap on the install and here turn on this allow from this source switch. Next we gotta click on the install again, open the Epic Games launcher. Here tap on the black get button that is located in front of a Fortnite game and start the Fortnite installation. Alrighty, now in order to actually install the Fortnite, we will need to allow the Epic Games to install apps from unknown sources, as well as we did for the Google Chrome. So simply turn on the switch, and after the Fortnite gets downloaded, just go ahead and install it. Next we can simply open the app, and basically all that is left to do for us in order to be able to play the Fortnite game is to wait until the Fortnite will install all needed updates, resources, and etc. So as you'll see now, this little bar appears, and once it gets fully yellow, the update reaches 100%. That will mean that you can go ahead and start playing the game itself. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!